Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Shark Robot Vacuum not turning on and how to fix. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. Okay. So first of all, restart the Shark Robot Vacuum, and how to restart that? Unplug the Shark Robot Vacuum and flip the vacuum upside down, and then hold the power button for around 10 seconds until the vacuum shut off. Okay, and wait 10 seconds before the pressing the power button to reset the vacuum cleaner. Okay, and then check the charging dock. How to check that? Check that the dock is connected to the functioning power outlet. Look for the green light on the dock side and signaling its readiness to charge. If the light is missing or flashing, try a different outlet. Place the dock in an open area with the 3 feet of the space on each side and 5 feet in front. Okay, and proper placement enable the robot vacuum to dock and charge easily. Okay, so third step is check the battery. Place the vacuum on the docking station and check the dock indicator light. Solid green light means the battery is fully charged and flashing indicates charging. Okay? And no light suggests a power or docking issue. If the battery doesn't hold the charge or charge at all, look for physical damage like plugging or leaking. Replace the battery if there is any damage. Okay guys? So this is our third step. So our fourth step is check on and off switch. Confirm the vacuum is connected to a working power source. And if the switch is stuck, gently turn it to see if it turn on. If it still doesn't work, the switch may need to be replaced. Okay. So if all of these steps is still not working for you, you can contact Shark customer support for assistance. Shark provides various resources to help customer, including the phone, email, and chat support. Okay. So guys, this is our all step. Thanks guys.